My name is Anoush Poursartip. I'm a professor at the University of British Columbia in the Department of Materials Engineering, where I direct the Composites Research Network. I'm also the part-time director of research at Convergent Manufacturing Technologies, which spun out of the university. It's a great honor to win the Judd Hall Composites Manufacturing Award. To be given this award, given the illustrious list of previous awardees, and to know that we've been able to contribute to the advancement of composites manufacturing is a great privilege and a great joy. These are exciting times. If you look back at the early days of what we did, digitalization was not a word that people really believed in. It was seen as a science project. Over the last few decades, we've taken that science, improved it, turned it into usable technology, and we've influenced composites manufacturing practice. But this is the beginning. We've been able to advance practice within current paradigms, but with all the digitalization that is now possible, people are starting to realize that the way we do things are based on the fact that this industry started in the 1960s. It was an analog era. And very smart people created a whole ecosystem that worked, all the way from the materials to the regulation. We now have the opportunity to revisit that, reimagine it. So I believe this is the beginning of a disruption of composites manufacturing. I would strongly recommend to avoid trying to reinvent the wheel in those bits and pieces that are done, to understand the background and then build on it, push it into practice, and then go backwards and improve the science, fine-tune the technology, respect what others have done, and then contribute your own innovation, what you're good at.